Are you living paycheck to paycheck and you think that you need higher income to start saving? You are probably wrong. What? In fact, data shows that 47% of Americans who earn more than $100,000 a year live paycheck to paycheck. So if it's not about the income, what is it about? It's about the other end of the money flow, the spending. And today I'm going to reveal 3 easy tricks how to stop overspending and get control of your finances. And the 3 tricks are not going to be track your expenses or set up your budget. I'm pretty sure you already heard about it. These are the tricks you most probably haven't heard about yet. I'm also going to show you what kind of impact you can expect from implementing these tricks. And by the way, I'm Tanya. I used to work as an executive in the banking industry for 15 years. And these are the tricks I saw the majority of people don't know or don't implement in their daily life. And that's why they were struggling financially. So stick with me for more. But first, let's discuss why even the high earners are overspending. People overspend for various reasons, be it boredom, emotional triggers, keeping up with appearances, or simply not tracking their money. The key is to identify your why, so why you are overspending, and then develop strategies how to combat it. For example, if boredom shopping is your weakness, then plan for some free or low-cost alternatives when you get bored. And make sure you have a list available at your hand when you get bored so that you know what you got to do instead of boredom shopping. Now, let's discuss these 3 simple tricks that you can implement to stop overspending. Remember that phase when everybody was obsessed with these fancy designer bottles? Oh, no, not this one. This one. Scrolling through Instagram, I saw them everywhere. They were these nice, sleek designer bottles that I really loved. And suddenly my Amazon cart was just full of them. But let's be honest, every single one of them actually ended in my cabinet full of dust. Nevertheless, my inbox was full of marketing emails, or my social media was full of ads proposing another different style, another different design of the most fancy bottle. But here's the thing. Once I realized what kind of an impact this trigger has on my wallet, I decided to fight back. I unsubscribed from all emails that were sending me this tempting marketing material how about a new fancy bottle. And then I implemented wait 24 hours rule. If I saw a bottle that was so tempting and so nicely designed, I waited for 24 hours to really think whether I really want it or really need it. And honestly, the majority of times the answer was a resounding no. And then to truly break the cycle of overspending, I implemented a no spending day. So this was the day that I was spending on nothing but essentials. And this is not an essential. To be honest, it wasn't easy. At the beginning, these cravings were very strong. But after a while, those cravings about the new fancy design bottle, they just went away. And now I'm able to scroll endlessly through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and see all these nice bottles without even raising an eyebrow. It's all about taking control and being mindful about what tempts you to spend. Now let's see what you can expect from implementing these tricks. Let's think about an example that is, I think, quite real in everybody's lives. The temptation of the takeout food. Let's be honest, who here is not bombarded by the delicious takeout temptations? You know the drill. You are driving home from work, your stomach is growling, and scrolling through your phone, you see that this burger and cheese fries are going to be the answer to all your problems. Click order placed. Been there, done that. Spent way too much on way too greasy meals. But here's the thing. These greasy meals add up really fast. We are talking about hundreds of dollars per month. Seriously, I did the number crunching. It could easily add up to $200 a month. And that's like an additional car payment in a month. And that's not all. Saving and investing this $200 a month at a 4% annual rate for 10 years will add up to $30,000 in 10 years. Suddenly, those takeout cravings seem a lot less appealing, right? My point is that even small changes can bring huge impact to your finances. Okay, finally, let's talk about the daily must-haves you are just not giving up. Such as me, I am just not giving up my coffee. All right, we all know that daily coffees can be a serious budget drain. For me, that fancy latte on the way to my work, that was just a non-negotiable routine. But let's be real, that fancy latte habit That was costing me $5 a day, and that's $25 a week, adding up to $100 each and every month. Ouch. So what I did instead is I decided that I'm going to have my own coffee maker and start doing my own coffees. I invested in a budget-friendly coffee maker myself, and I started making my own lattes. Sure, I don't have the fancy coffee shop experience, but guess what? It saves me tons of money, and I can tailor my coffees exactly to my morning moods. A bit more sugar today? Yes, please. Another budget drainer, all those subscriptions you barely use. We all know the drill. You do a free trial and it's okay, but then I guess you just forget about it. And suddenly the credit card payments just start piling up, right? There are two simple solutions. One, if your bank is providing an option to close your cards for online payments, do that and your card payment will automatically be declined. Of course, your subscription will not be working until you make the payment, so until you allow the credit card payment to go through. But this also gives you the chance to see if you really need that subscription. Or there's another way. If you are not able to block your credit card payments for online shopping, then just go through the list of your subscriptions and make sure that whatever you are subscribed to is really valuable to you. It will only take you 20 minutes. Just go through the list of your subscriptions and see what you haven't been using in the last couple of months. Not using it? Cancelled. Boom! You are saving tons of money. Look, I'm not saying that you've got to be a total penny pincher. Sure, treat yourself every now and then, but being mindful about these small daily expenses and implementing a few tricks to really manage them can add up to a surprisingly significant amount of cash at the end of each month. And there you are, on your way to the dream vacation, or even maybe a new car, or just a low-budget coffee maker. Unfortunately, however, everything I explained today will not work best for you if you don't know how to make your money, so the money you saved, work for you. So if you really want to take control of your finances and make your money work for you, you need to see this video right here somewhere, which explains exactly that. I'll see you there. In the meantime, I'm cheering for you. Bye-bye.